Welcome back to the 99 Bitcoins YouTube channel. I'm your host Mark Khan, and today we're taking a look at 7 of the best cryptocurrencies to buy now. The crypto markets are starting to show signs of recovery. We're seeing pumping all across the board. Yesterday we ended the day plus 4%. Today we're already up over 2%, and the market is starting to recover. RSI nearly at 50, Bitcoin only above 110. Looks like Ethereum could claim $4,000. If that's the case, where do we expect the market to go from here? I think we're about to enter a bullish segment of the market as there's massive news and massive adoption plays between CZ Binance getting pardoned by Donald Trump and JP Morgan now accepting Bitcoin and Ethereum as collateral in his crypto strategy. The world is starting to adopt crypto. So what are the 7 best projects I'd be loading up on now before November? Let's jump right in. Before we do, want to ask if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button down below and check out the partner for the channel, Best Wallet. Best Wallet is the best anonymous crypto wallet that lets you create an account without verification, ID, or KYC. Get the most secure and anonymous non-custodial crypto wallet today. Available on Google Play and Apple App Store. Every download supports the channel tremendously. A download link will be in the description box below for your convenience. All right, so what are we starting this list off at number 1? At number 1, I have a crypto pre-sale project, Bitcoin Hyper. If you subscribe to the channel, you would have heard me talking about this one in the past already before. But essentially, Bitcoin Hyper is the fastest layer 2 chain on Bitcoin. Scalability and speed for Bitcoin are finally here. They've raised over $24.7 million in pre-sale, and on average, they've been raising over $100,000 a day. Now, you see this timer over here. This timer essentially is when they'll next have their next price increase in 1 day and 1 hour. And this one is gaining a lot of attention as they've been raising money very fast. A whole lot of smart money and whale interest in this one. Bitcoin Hyper finally unlocks fast and cheap Bitcoin transactions. This unleashes the true power of Bitcoin, payments, meme coins, and dApps. 2025 will be the year remembered as BTC Hyper changing everything. If you're interested in buying into this pre-sale, you can buy direct from the website with Cardinal Crypto, and I'll leave the website link in the description box below. Plus, take advantage of their 48% staking reward, which won't last for too long. All right, the next meme coin on my list is none other than SPX 6900. This one's kind of like, it gives a bird to traditional finance, and it's been having a pretty fantastic day. On the day, we're up nearly 5%. On the week, up over 3%. On the month, still down 7%. Now, even though it's down 7%, most meme coins have been taking a massive hit, and the fact that it's only down single digits is a pretty impressive feat. Looks like we're about to reclaim a $1 billion market cap and absolutely send from here. If you follow this one closely, you will hear a lot of influence in the space, very, very bullish for SPX, as far as Murad, which is a very big crypto influencer, predicting that SPX to reach a $1 trillion market cap. Now, where I don't believe or I don't think it has the possibility to reach a $1 trillion market cap, I still think there's a lot of opportunity in this one. I definitely wouldn't be fading SPX, especially when the charts are looking so bullish like this and they have such a strong community behind the project. I'll definitely be watching this, if not loading up a bag if you haven't already. All right, the next meme coin on my list is a pure degen meme coin, and that is none other than Maxi Doge. Maxi Doge trades on 1000x leverage, no stop loss, feel the Maxi pump. It's a Doge coin that's all buff, all trading, all degen. This project has raised over $3.7 million in pre-sale, and in 1 day and 12 hours, they're set to have their next price increase. They're also offering 81% staking rewards for those interested to buy and stake. Can you go full Maxi Doge, max drip, max gains, wake up, sweat, trade, repeat? Some of the utility include, again, it's more of a community play rather than like an actual utility play, but essentially staking, Maxi reward pool for daily smart contract distribution. We're gonna have the Maxi contest, community activations, and reward for top ROI hunters, and partnership events, future platforms, integrations, and gamified tournaments. So again, they offer a little bit of incentives, but again, in reality, this one is just purely for the vibes. If you're buying into this one, I'll be leaving a download link, or the buy link, I should say, in the description box below. You buy by simply connecting your wallet and swapping over some crypto for Maxi Doge. All right, keeping this movement, back to a more AI themed token, and that is Farcoin. As Farcoin's been having a pretty good week, up about 5% on the day. On the week, up about 3% after making some nice waves this week. On the month, still down over 42%. This one is a fantastic time to be loading up. Farcoin is trading between 32 cents and 45 cents after dropping over 15% last week. Despite the decline, momentum shows potential for recovery. A breakout above 53 cents resistance could trigger 20% surge. If bullish momentum continues, Farcoin might aim for a 67 cents, nearly 50% rise from its current upper range. Again, we're looking at some pretty sturdy gains. But again, the cool thing with Farcoin is a lot of smart money seems to be buying in. Farcoin top whale inflows in the last 24 hours, according to Sunflow. Again, we're seeing a lot of money flowing to Farcoin. So again, I definitely wouldn't be fading this one. I know it's a silly name, silly coin, but very, very strong metrics behind it. So I would be loading up. Now, in the theme of AI tokens, what about gamification? I have the next coin on my list is a Pepe style meme that's taken over. Pepe Node is a mine to earn meme coin. Pepe Node lets you build your own virtual meme coin mining rig, buy nodes, build your server room, and buy nodes for huge bonuses. They have raised nearly $2 million in pre-sale and offering a 669% staking reward. You're able to buy nodes, upgrade your faculty, and earn meme coins. You could use your server room to mine Pepe Node, activate your yield to refine your setup. So you start with an empty room, you buy nodes, you combine nodes for better bonuses, and you can actually sell your nodes as well, which is pretty cool. And all this is done is virtually. Pepe Node brings gamified meme coin mining to the masses. No physical computing power required. Pepe Node allows you to build a customized meme coin mining rig in your own virtual server room. More nodes equals more meme coins. Again, they raised nearly $2 million in pre-sale, offering over 600% in staking rewards. Definitely take advantage of this one. This one could be the hottest pre-sale of the season. Link to buy is in the description box below. All right, now we're going to rapid fire last two. Last two, I got Toshi. Toshi is one of my favorite meme coins. I think there's some crazy upside potential. Currently just shy of the $300 million market cap. This is the largest base meme coin right now. They've been doing a lot of contests and giveaways to really grow their audience. Again, I make daily videos for Toshi as well. So again, you guys know how bullish I am for it. So I had to add it in the list. Another honorable mention is Pudgy Penguins. I have a full video coming up for Penguin later today. It's down over 32% on the month. Sub 3 cents. This is an absolute steal of a buy zone right now, so I'd definitely be taking advantage of this one. And then last but definitely not least is Snorter. This project is coming to an end. It was on pre-sale for the past couple of weeks, and in 2 days and 23 hours, the pre-sale is going to end. They've raised over $5.5 million in their pre-sale, and this is your last chance to buy Snort at the price of 10 cents before it gets listed. Snorter is a Solana meme coin trading bot. You're gonna get a low speed on Solana, fast execution time, ton of features included in the bot, more so than some of the other popular bots in the market right now. Again, this is just gonna help you become a sniper in the trading world, especially if you're into Solana trading. This one's very cool. Again, their pre-sale ends in 2 days and 23 hours. So if you're interested in loading up a bag, now is your legitimate final chance to do so before it goes live. So again, if you want to buy in pre-sale price, this is your last chance to. And again, guys, we've been very bullish for pre-sale projects on this channel because it sometimes is a fantastic opportunity to get into a play early, you know, and take profits pretty fast and then make your bag. But again, obviously, like always, none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. Now that wraps up the video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Until next time, it's your friend Umar. Peace.